At Workbench Con, I had the privilege of sticking my hand in a bucket of unknown goo, only to test to see if the Crocodile Cloths could remove the substance. There was motor oil, there was some slime, and then there was the mystery goo. But the real test is, can the Crocodile Cloth clean off all of that soot and grime on a laser machine? Let's check it out. Holy freaking cow, guys. Okay, I wish I had better prepared this whole video, but at least you got my real reaction. If you have ever cleaned the inside of a laser bed that really hasn't been cleaned since before Christmas, I know, it is what it is. I have 5 kids. I did not think that any kind of cloth would be able to clean these blades the way that the Croc Cloth did. And just look at my laser bed and all the char and soot and gook. It's freaking sticky and disgusting from wood and goo. And this is with the Croc Cloth. You can see the exact ones that I did. I did 5 of them in 4 minutes, and as disgusting as they are, I got 1 cloth to be used on all 5 of these. I could probably pull off 1 more. If these 5 only took 4 minutes, it really beats ripping out every single blade, putting them in the doggy bath, dousing them with cleaner and letting them dry and getting them back here. This is amazing for quick cleanup. Okay, so let me show you guys. This right here is the Croc Cloth Power Scrub. It actually smells really good, and it has like a texture to it that really allows you to scrub things like greasy, dirty laser blades that should not have been as dirty as they are. I really should have been more prepared because I kept going, and now I wish that I had a before and after picture of my laser bed. But do you want to see the coolest part? You would never believe, if you know the agony of a laser owner and cleaning this laser bed, how many wipes it took to clean that. Look how nice that looks. Ready? You want to see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 wipes cleaned this entire thing that I was going to put off for another month or 2 until it was warmer because of how labor intensive it has been for me. All right, let's try one. Look at the side of my honeycomb tray. It's really gross. Look how easy that comes off. Well, Crocodile Cloth, I am thoroughly impressed. These are absolutely amazing and will be a staple in my workshop. I will tag them and you can check them out and you can stock up too because they are awesome. And if you think that this tutorial has been helpful for you, make sure that you follow along for more tip talks and head on over to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful that I get to work with you guys every day.